Okay, now we will be studying about the other three layers of the cell wall. After studying about the middle lamella, we need to study about the primary cell wall, the secondary cell wall, and finally the tertiary cell wall. Okay? Now, everyone, look at the board. Now see, as I told you, the middle layer which cements, okay, two neighboring cells is called as the middle lamella. So here this is the middle lamella, this one, okay, this is the middle lamella. The layer which is formed next to middle lamella, G2 layer middle lamella ঠিক পাছতে form হয় towards the cytoplasm. ইয়াত মন কৰিছানে? A black line. Okay, middle lamellar যেটো পাছত form হয় cell wall or layer towards the cytoplasm is called as primary cell wall. Okay, so ইয়াতো form হৈছে towards the cytoplasm, primary cell wall. Now this cell wall is formed due to deposition of wall materials. Wall materials মানে যেখিনি তোমার substances cell wall to বনায়, mainly cellulose. Okay, so it is formed due to deposition of cellulose or other wall materials towards the, okay, that is internally, it is formed internally. Okay, মানে এটো তোমার middle lamella form হল cell division of পিছতে, তার পিছতে তোমার form হব primary cell wall. Okay, the growth is internal. Okay, the growth of the primary cell wall is internal. It grows internally. The wall materials are deposited internally the primary cell wall. ঠিক যেনেকে আমার growth to internal growth মানে বুঝি পাইছানে? ঠিক যেনেকে human beings or growth to কেনেকুৱা হয় internally হয়, আমাৰ cells বিলাক ভিতৰত form হয়, আমাৰ body ভিতৰত ক'বাৰ পৰা বাহিৰৰ পৰা cells আহি বা muscles আহি তো আমাৰ body থাপ থাপকে join হৈ নাযায়, বাহিৰৰ পৰা থৰি না আহে. So যদি বাহিৰৰ পৰা আহি যদি তোমাৰ বডিত মাসলস বিলাক আহি জয়েন হৈ গ'লহেঁতেন বা বোনস বিলাক আহি জয়েন হৈ গ'লহেঁতেন, তেতিয়া আমি সেই গ্ৰোথটো এক্সটাৰ্নাল গ্ৰোথ বুলি ক'লোহেঁতেন. কিন্তু মাসলস হওক, বোনছৰ ডেন্সিটি হওক, বডি ভিতৰত চেলছ হওক, কেনেকৈ ফৰ্ম হয়? ইণ্টাৰনেলি ফৰ্ম হয়, isn't it? So ঠিক তেনেকৈ প্ৰাইমাৰী চেল ৱালৰ গ্ৰোথো কেনেকুৱা হয়? ইণ্টাৰনেল হয়. And such a type of growth is said to be into susception. Such a type of growth is said to be, such type of internal growth is said to be into susception. Now primary cell wall is present in the soft part and the young parts of the plant. Plantor jibilak young parts bilak ase ba soft parts such as meristematic tissues, such as parenchyma tissues. Okay, parenchyma tissue is the most abundant plantor gote body to maximum parenchyma tissue ekonwa. So parenchyma tissue aru meristematic tissues bilakot okol middle lamella aru primary cell wall thake. Okay, so usually এই দুটা cell wall থাকে, middle lamella aru primary cell wall. আৰু যেতিয়ালৈকে primary cell wall থাকে আমি cell to যেতিয়ালৈকে অকল এই দুটা layer থাকে তেতিয়া আমি cell to living cell বুলি কওঁ. Okay, মনত ৰাখিবা. কিন্তু প্লান্টৰ কিছুমান পাৰ্টছত old parts বিলাকত বিশেষকৈ primary cell wall উপৰিও কি ফৰ্ম হয় তোমাৰ secondary cell wall ফৰ্ম হয়. ঠিক আছে? And secondary cell wall, the three blue colored layers as you can see here, S1 প্ৰথমটো, S2 next to আৰু S3 the last one. Okay, first two is S1, then S2, then S3. So it is a multi-layered structure formed one after the another. So red color to hoise middle lamella, black color to hoise primary cell wall, then S1, S2, S3. Tinta layer consecutively formed hoise. So secondary cell wall, it is not present in all the plant cells. It is present in especially toward in the older parts of the plant. Okay, and it is formed due to deposition of wall materials over the existing wall. মানে primary cell wall or ওপৰতে যদিহে তোমাৰ wall materials বিলাক deposit হৈ গৈ থাকে, তেতিয়া তোমাৰ কি form হ'ব? S1 layer, S1 layer ওপৰত যদি আকৌ wall materials deposit হয় তেতিয়া form হ'ব S2 layer, আৰু S2 লেয়াৰৰ ওপৰত যদি আকৌ wall materials deposit হয় তেতিয়া ফৰ্ম হ'ব S3 layer. So the growth to কেনেকুৱা primary cell wallৰ উল্টা হয় না নহয়, that is secondary cell wallৰ growth to হ'ব external growth show কৰিব, কিন্তু primary cell wallে কেনেকুৱা growth show কৰে internally growth হয়. So the secondary such type of growth is called as accretion. Such a type of growth is called as accretion. So secondary cell wale accretion show kore mane external growth show kore aur primary cell wale internal growth show kore. So that is the main difference. Another difference ki koisu primary cell wall okay what present thake younger parts and soft parts of the plant body, whereas secondary cell wall it is found in older and hard parts of the plant body. Hard kele hoy karon cell wall to tumar multi layered hoi jay, cell wall to multi layered S1 S2 tinta layer form hoise, iman khini cell wall form hoi jab sab cell to hard hoi jay, as a result plant he particular plant of part 2 ki hoi jay hard boni jay. Okay, so that is about the secondary cell wall, and these are the differences between primary cell wall and secondary cell wall. Okay, ki ki likhibo pariba primary cell wall it is formed former to secondary cell wall, then you can write that secondary cell wall is formed later than primary cell wall. This is point number 1. Second point, you can write that primary cell wall is single layered aru secondary cell wall is multi layered. Number 3, you can write primary cell wall okay it is formed due to internal growth mane ki into susception, or secondary cell wall it is formed due to external growth, that is accretion. Number 4, you can write those cells which have only primary cell wall in them, okay primary cell wall in them are living, whereas secondary cell wall jodi form ho jay the cell becomes dead cell. This is point number 4 you can write. Point number 5, you can write that primary cell wall is found in the younger and soft parts of the plant body, but secondary cell wall is found in the hard and older parts of the plant body. Okay, then another difference you can write, that is for point number 6. Secondary cell wall has minute pores here and there, and these are called as pits. Cell wall of non korisane secondary cell wall of maje maje tumar korikese gap kisuman ase, a gap bilakok ami pits buli kau jitu ami kotu primary cell wall of dekha napao. Okay, so these are the 6 differences between primary cell wall and secondary cell wall, and it will be your homework to write down the differences in your copy by yourself. Okay, listen very carefully to the video, okay, and okay bhalke mon kori khuniba jate homework bilak bhalke koribo para. Now these are the differences. Okay, so secondary cell wall ahi joa loge loge cell to tumar ki hobo dead cell hobo. So a cell to yak ki living or a cell to tumar dead cell. A cell to ki hoy young cell, and this cell will be what old cell. Okay, so this is about the secondary cell wall. Now the last one, okay aku moi the red color layer dekhaisu bhitor phale, this is tertiary cell wall. Now tertiary cell wall is not found in all types of plant and all plant body parts, jikono body part ote present nathake. Okay, it is usually present in the tracheids of gymnosperms. Gymnosperms ki asile, it is a what kind of plant? It is a seeded plant. Yes, it is a seed bearing plant, but the seeds are naked, okay, such as the pine tree. Okay, so it is found in the tracheids of gymnosperms. Sob gosok present nathake, okol gymnosperms are present ase. Okay, gymnosperms are entire plant body present nai, okol tracheids. And what are tracheids? It is one of the xylem components. Xylem sari type or asile, tracheids, vessels, xylem parenchyma aru xylem fibers. Okay, so that tracheids are present thake. Now this tertiary cell wall is also formed due to accretion. Accretion mane ki external growth. But this one interesting thing about the tertiary cell wall is that it is a xylem rich layer, xylem, XYLAN. It is a kind of polysaccharide. It is a kind of carbohydrate. Usually cell walls of ki present thake, cellulose present thake. So yet cellulose present thake, hemicellulose present thake. So yet cellulose present na thaki tertiary cell wall of কি প্রেজেন্ট থাকিব xylem নামৰ আন এটা polysaccharide মানে carbohydrate present থাকিব. So that is the last layer of cell wall, which is seldom formed only in certain groups of plants. So these are the 4 layers of cell wall. Secondary cell wall form hole moi ki koisu cell to dead hoy jay. So definitely tertiary cell wall thoka maneo ki cell will be dead cell only. Okay, so clear hole. These are the 4 different layers of cell wall. And lastly, we will study about plasmodesmata and desmotibules.